finding anything
If
as
you
far
wait a
as
moment, I could give you my house number, and maybe you could pull it up from there.
the what
Can
was
you do that? If you wait a moment, I can go check my new house number, and maybe you can pull it up from there, like my phone number, my landline.
The telephone number?
Yeah.
You mean through through Google or something like that, or?
No, don't you have a little thingamabob where it shows like your phone number, and then it shows what area you're in?
No, it don't. We don't have any systems like that. What we do is
Wait, I got my zip code. My wife just told it to me. It's
okay.
94203.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Great. And if I could have your telephone number, please.
Okay, give me a moment. I have to find it.
Okay.
I just instated a service with AT&T, so they just mail me all the stuff, and there's boxes everywhere, so.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, I think it's 916
Mhm.
558 2457.
You said 24, and what was after that?
57.
57. Okay. Thank you. Perfect. So you said that for your address, you said it's 1504 Hazel Court, Sacramento, California, 94203?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Thanks.
I know that's the zip code.
Okay.
You know what? I think I gave you the wrong address. That's my sister's house. My wife just says that I'm dumb, and I just gave you the wrong address. Okay, let me give you the right address.
Okay.
3835 Freeport Boulevard.
Thanks.
So
3835 Freeport Boulevard?
Yes.
Okay.
And I think the zip code on that is a little bit different. I think it's 95822.
Thanks. 95822.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. And I just want to make sure I have your name spelled correctly. For your last name, is that spelled W-E-S-T?
Yeah, Adam West.
Okay, thank you. And by chance, are you currently a member of AARP?
I don't know. I think not, but I'm not sure.
Okay, thanks. What I'll do for you is I'll go ahead and I'll include the AARP membership discount here for you on the quote. If you don't have the membership, that's okay. We could sign you up for the membership at that time if you decide that you want to get the policy.
That sounds good.
And by chance, do you have an email address available?
Yes.
Oh, okay, great. If I could have your email address, please.
Okay. It's TROLLOU69 @gmail.com.
Okay, thanks. Perfect. And what has you shopping for auto insurance today?
Well, my wife wanted a car, and I told her she was dumb because women can't drive. So I'm going to get a car.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll take a look at all the information, as well as all the discounts and credits to get you the lowest pricing that we could offer on that. And how many automobiles do you and your wife currently own?
Well, I'm going to own one. She ain't touching it because women are dumb. They can't drive.
Okay. What is the year, make, and model of that vehicle?
I'm going to get a 2011 Ferrari. Or maybe a Toyota Corolla. Whatever my budget can afford.
Okay. So for the quote, which one did you want me to quote?
Do the Corolla. Because I think the
Corolla?
Ferrari...
Okay.
I think the Ferrari will make her happy, and I just want her sad.
Thanks. So the Toyota Corolla, is that vehicle going to be used to drive to work, to school, or used for a business?
I'm going to drive to work. I'm going to drive to pick up some chicks.
How many days out of the week will it be driven to work?
Probably like 3, and the other time I'm going to lie and say I'm going to work, but I'm actually going to pick up some chicks.
Okay. For the work use, about how many miles is it one way from home to work?
Like 2 miles. But I tell my wife it's like 5 hours, so she doesn't get all questioning.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, that part I don't really need to know, but the actual mileage that it's going to be driven, I guess. So it's only going to be about 2 miles each way?
Yeah, just 2 miles.
Great. So it sounds like on a yearly basis, the vehicle's probably going to be driven about 5,000 miles a year. Does that sound about right?
Yeah. And the Corolla hatch has evolved into an agile, sporty drive. It hugs the road and it takes like a dynamic driving experience. I might get that too. It also comes with any Cat 5-star rating, and it's packed with impressive list of safety features to help keep your passenger safe on the road. I heard it can brake for you if like something is in the way in the middle of the road. I heard it can stop on the brakes before you can.
Oh, wow. Are there any other vehicles registered to your name?
No, not that I know of.
Perfect. And if I can have your date of birth, please?
I was born June 12th, 1976.
Thanks.
My wife's a little bit older than that. That's why she looks so fat and ugly.
How old were you when you were first licensed?
I was 18.
Okay. And if I could have your wife's name, please?
My wife's name is Margaret West. Lewis Margaret West.
Thank you. And what is her date of birth?
I think her date of birth is I'm going to say it's August 9th, 1960. I think.
Thanks.
Hey, yo, bitch, what's your date of birth? Yeah, that's right.
And how old was she when she was first licensed?
I think she was 18, but they made a mistake because women can't drive.
So she has a driver's license, or she doesn't have a driver's license?
She has one. I don't know how she got one, but she has one.
Okay. So the state of California gave her a driver's license, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are there any other drivers in the household?
Nah, my kids are young.
Okay. Is there anyone else who would be driving this vehicle on a regular basis?
Nah, this is my car.
Okay. Within the past 5 years, have you or your wife had any accidents or any claims?
Nah, I don't let her drive, so we don't have to worry about that.
Okay. Do you have have you had any accidents or any claims within the past 5 years?
Nah. I used to drive a bus, but I wasn't actually the bus driver. And I took some kids on a field trip that wasn't actually a field trip, but yeah.
Have you had any ruling violations or tickets within the past 5 years?
Nah, I only got arrested for, well, they alleged it, like, pedophile behavior, but I got off.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't have anything to do with driving or your driver's license record.
Well, yeah. I don't have anything.
Okay. Within the past 10 years, have either of you been with...
They took up 2 demerit points for the unscheduled field trip thing.
Within the past 10 years...
Huh?
Within the past 10 years, have either of you been convicted of driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, I only just drive on weed. That's it.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Do you require an SR-22?
What is that?
That's the filing that they have for driving under the influence.
No, I don't require that. I never got arrested or pulled over for it. Me and the cops here are cool. We're best buddies. And it's prescriptive. My therapist says I need to chillax.
Thanks. By chance, do you currently own your own home or condo?
Yeah, I own it.
Okay.
I make my wife pay the rent, but I own it.
Okay. Thanks. Do you have a mortgage on your home?
Nah. We straight out bought it up with some cash. I sold my wife for it. I had a gambling problem.
Did you want us to do a quote on homeowners insurance?
Yeah. I think my home be fine. If anything happens, I can do something with it.
Okay. Do you currently carry automobile insurance?
No. That's why I'm calling you guys.
Okay.
Does it matter if I got arrested for domestic violence?
Is that on your driving record?
I don't think so.
Have you had anything on your driving record?
Yeah, I got the 2 demerit thing that I told you about.
What is that?
And
is that like? Have you had anything for like being pulled over for speeding, stop signs?
No, but I kind of took the car and I kind of like bumped her with it, like gently slammed her against that.
Oh, okay, like an automobile accident?
Yeah, but it was just like a gently push that landed her to the hospital.
Oh, okay. So then did the automobile insurance pay for that?
Nah, she paid for it. She was sorry. She shouldn't have been in the way.
And what is your driver's license number?
I'm not sure. I lost my driver's license 5 years ago.
Oh, you don't have a driver's license?
I have one, but I lost it. I can't find it. I mean, like, the reason why I hit her, because it was at night, and I was coming home from fucking her best friend, and she's black, so I couldn't see her, and she blended in with the nightness.
What coverage limit did you want in this quote?
Coverage? I want the best. Best of the best.
Okay. Like on the bodily injury, what limit do you want on that?
I want the highest you can afford. Unless it's for my wife, then put like none.
No. Like what number did you want? Like what limit did you want?
What is the highest number I can get? Can I do no limit? YOLO?
What was that?
Can I do no limit? YOLO?
No. We put numbers on there. There's no limit. You have to
so
like
what's the highest
get
number
a numbered
I can
amount
get?
on there. Do you know? Oh, you don't currently have insurance. Have you had insurance in the past?
I don't know. I normally make my wife do these things, but she has a speech issue right now, so. I've never actually contacted the insurance company myself. I never had to.
Okay.
So can I get like $50,000 for the bodily injury thing?
Sure. Okay. That sounds good.
You think that would be enough?
That limit's fine.
Do you think that would be enough? That would be good?
Yeah, I know a lot of people who do 50,000 for bodily injury.
All right, sign me up for that. I'm down.
Okay. Yeah, so for bodily injury, I could put that at the amount that covers 50,000 per person, up to 100,000 per accident. Property damage would be 50,000 per accident. Uninsured motorist would be 50,000 per person, up to 100,000 per accident.
Sound
Uninsured
good.
motorist property damage would be $3,500 per accident. Medical payments coverage at the limit that pays $5,000 per person. The comprehensive as well as the collision coverage, each with a $500 deductible. The rental car coverage at the amount that covers $20 a day for a maximum of 30 days. And then the towing coverage on there, $75 reimbursement for towing services. The policy that we offer is a 12-month policy, so this would cover you a whole year. The total amount would come to $1,173.80 for 12 months of coverage.
Okay, so
2011.
So what if my car gets jacked from like, okay, so in my neighborhood there's a lot of black niggas here and they like to jack your vehicles and take off your rims and your stereos. What do I do about that?
The what? I don't understand your question. I didn't hear what you said.
There's a lot of, in my neighborhood, there's a lot of black niggers, like the color folks, and
yeah, you can't really be using language like that on our calls. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to let you go.
But what about if they take my rims and my stereos? What do you guys do for that?
For what?
If they take my rims and my stereos.
You mean theft?
Yeah, like they take my rims.
If they take your rims, it's covered under comprehensive coverage.
So do I have to pay for you guys to like fix that, or do you guys automatically do that with the money that I already pay you?
No. The comprehensive coverage is included on the policy with a $500 deductible. For the Toyota Corolla, you said that you haven't purchased this vehicle yet?
Nah, I'm purchasing it like right after I get off the phone with you guys.
Oh, okay. Great. The yearly pricing of the loss would amount to an amount of $1,173.80. So what you could do, if you do get the vehicle, all you have to do is call us up, and then you could sign up for the policy. We could take the payment over the phone. We take debit card, credit card, or check by phone.
Okay, so
Okay.
if I have cash, do you guys have an office that I can come in and maybe give you some dollars, make it rain and stuff?
Everything's done over the phone, so then you'd have to do either with a debit card, or credit card, or check by phone.
Yeah, but my wife won't let me touch the debit cards because I accidentally spent all my money on some chocolate rain, so...
What you would want to do then is you'd probably want to contact a company that has like local offices where you could pay in cash.
Okay, so do you have a local office in Sacramento?
No, what we do is through the AARP program, it's done over the phone. So then all you have to do is we do the debit card, or the credit card, or check by phone.
Yeah, but do you have like a number to a local office that you could transfer me to?
No, I don't have any local offices or local numbers.
Can you transfer me to someone that does?
We don't work with any other companies. We just work with the Hartford Insurance. So you probably want to contact a different company in order to do that.
Can you transfer me to regular AARP?
Let me see here. You mean like the membership department?
Yeah.
You have a pen and paper handy?
Excuse me?
You want to talk to AARP membership?
Yes, can you transfer me?
Yeah, let me go ahead and get you over there, okay?
Thank you, kind sir. It was a nice pleasure to speaking to you. I love your tits.
Please wait.
AARP. This is Steve Cohn, head of membership at AARP. We're glad you called us today. This call may be recorded for quality.
Para español, diga español.
Are you calling about an existing AARP membership? If you or the person you're calling about is an AARP member, say yes. Otherwise, say main menu. Please say if you're calling for AARP products and services, insurance, order membership cards, or check expiration date. If you want to talk with someone, say representative.
Representative.
Please say which one you're calling about. You can say AARP products and services, insurance, order membership cards, or check expiration date. Or you can say representative.
Representative.
Once again, this is Steve Cohn, and I want to personally thank you for being a member. Let me get a representative on the phone to help explain all the wonderful benefits available to you and your family. Just a moment, please.
Please hold, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible. Visit www.aarp.org/tell-us to take our short preference survey and tell us which topics interest you. That's www.aarp.org/tell-us. AARP champions Americans 50 and over, supporting them on issues that really make a difference. Our representatives are assisting other callers. We appreciate your patience and will answer your call in the order in which it was received. Become a member today, and you'll get discounts on everything from hotels and car to eyewear and wireless plans. You also receive the award-winning AARP magazine. Visit www.aarp.org/tell-us to take our short preference survey and tell.
Welcome to AARP. My name is Michelle. May I have your membership account number, please?
Yo, what's up, nigga? My wife just called about this insurance shit. What you gone through for? I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, my wife, she just called for this shit, and I don't know what's going on, but she just feels sick, so she'll probably be back in a minute.
Okay.
So what you doing?
Working.
Sounds pretty nice. Get much time off?
Every weekend.
Should hang out sometime.
I don't think so, and I'm going to have to go since you don't know what we need, so thank you for calling AARP. You have a great day.
Fuck you, nigga.
Call completed.
Oh my god, oh, that was so good, but Lexie had the fucking discount. Oh my god, it was going so good. I'm gonna stop the thing now. So.
Fucking nipple slips.
All y'all niggas wanna get like me. Surrounded by bitches that look